super awesome, really popular friend. In fact, I don't know if you guys can even handle knowing who he is. Can you keep a secret? Okay, hold on. I'm going to tell you a little bit just to test the waters, and then we'll go from there. My friend's first name is Peter. Peter goes to school during the day, and at night, he swings through the streets of New York City, and he fights crime. He's Peter Parker. He's Spider-Man, right? Okay, so he's Peter Parker. Peter goes to school during the day and fights crime at night. Does he have any time to make dinner?
No.
No? Luckily, he lives with his Aunt May, and she makes dinner and leaves it in the fridge. So last night, Peter came home especially late, and he was starving. And he was like, I don't think I can fall asleep without eating at least something. So he just ate the first thing he found in the fridge, which happened to be a nice big bowl of cabbage soup. Ew. Cabbage soup is purple. Okay, well, now that Peter's eaten something, he thinks he can go to bed. He's got this purple stuff in his stomach now. So he's gonna go to bed and he's gonna crash real hard. In fact, he's gonna crash so hard that he's gonna sleep through his alarm this morning. So this morning he was like, oh my gosh, and he jumped out of bed and he was like, I love science! No, not really. He was like, shoot! I slept in way too late. I'm gonna miss my chemistry class if I don't book it. So he doesn't have time for breakfast, but he knows he should have something. So while he's out the door, he's gonna drink a nice big bottle of water. Pretty good for you, right? Better than nothing. Water's clear. I'm adding it to the purple stuff in Peter's stomach, and it's staying purple. Makes sense, right? Okay. So in New York City, people don't really drive cars. There's too many people out there. They usually take the subway, which is what Peter does. He takes the subway to school. And he's on the subway, and it's going fine until he gets to this one stop, and all of a sudden these pesky little fifth graders get on. And they put their backpacks down. They're New York fifth graders, don't be offended. And they pull out these huge cans of silly string. And then they're like, attack! And they silly string the windows, they silly string a couple people, they bust down the door to the driver compartment, and they silly string the windshield. And the conductor is like, oh my goodness, I cannot drive this train like this. We have to stop it so I can clean up. So that's what they do. They stop the train. And that's really, really stressful for Peter because chemistry isn't the easiest thing, right? So if you miss 15 minutes of your chemistry class, like he's about to do, that's really stressful. I think he deserves a treat. He's gonna have a Sprite. Sprite is clear, right? Okay, Sprite is clear. I added it to the purple stuff in his stomach, and it's still purple, but it's turning a little bit more red, right? That's kind of weird. Okay, well, Peter can feel this. He's having a little bit of irritation, but he's young, and he's really busy, so he's just gonna ignore it and hope it goes away. So it's lunchtime now. Peter had kind of a bad dinner. He had a terrible breakfast. He had no breakfast, to be exact. He's starving, so he's gonna go to the cafeteria and order a huge lunch. But he's a superhero, so he has to keep a healthy diet. He's gonna get a really big salad. And on that salad, he's gonna have a whole bunch of oil and vinegar dressing. This is the vinegar from his dressing. I bet Aunt May eats big salads too, actually. Here we go, a little bit more. Okay, so I added clear vinegar to the purple in his stomach, and his stomach is kind of red now. Isn't that weird? Isn't that weird? This is really intense, you guys. This is bad. Peter can feel this, and he feels it really hard. This is a classic case of acid reflux. So, Peter can't fight crime like this after school. He has to go home and ask his Aunt May for Tums to feel better. But here's the thing, Aunt May lives with Peter, so she ate all the same stuff that he did, and she had acid reflux also, and she took all the Tums. They were out. But she was like, you know what, Peter? Tums are like 80% baking soda. So why don't you just like eat baking soda and see if it works? Yum! No, not really.
Oh, no.
But you know what? Peter's desperate because he's a superhero. He has to go out tonight, or else what's going to happen? Banks will be robbed, cats will not come down from trees. You name it. He's got to go. He's desperate. Here we go. Bombs away.
He burped. He's burping.
Hold on. This is why I bring out 2 cups. This one's a little bit harder to fit in, right? Come on, Peter. I think he has one more, maybe one more. I don't know. I might have to help him. If I have to burp him like a baby with my thumb, then he's done. Yeah. Okay. That was me. I had to help him, so he's done. But that's a good thing, right? Because if he went out tonight and he fought crime while like burping all over the place, that would be really embarrassing. It's a good thing he's done. So take a look at the color of his stomach. Is it red anymore?
No.
No! Let's talk about burps. I added a solid baking soda to the liquid in Peter Parker's stomach, and I got a gas. I got burps. When you add salt to your water, do you produce a gas? No, that shouldn't have happened. So here's the big question. Is this a physical change or a chemical reaction? Yeah, it's a chemical reaction, right? Okay, burps are a chemical reaction. Here we go. I have one more thing to show you guys. Are we ready?